Hi, Celine sayang. Good morning, Celine sayang. Why you didn't sleep? I see you all night long. All night long and until now. Now is 9 something a.m. You still working very hard. Oh, Celine. I worry. Oh, Celine, you must rest. Otherwise, never mind lah. It's okay if you like to do that, okay? I'm okay. Okay, Celine sayang, I love you so much. I miss you. Here is raining. Here is raining. Okay, Celine sayang, I miss you. I love you. Bye. I miss you. Bye. I love you.